Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today we are going to make Hoecakes. We are going to start, pretty simple recipe, with 1 cup of flour. To that, we are going to add 1 cup of cornmeal, and 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. And then we're just going to throw in a pinch of salt. Give it a whisk. To that, add your 2 eggs. Of water, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 1/3 of a tablespoon of melted butter. Give that a whisk. And give your cornmeal a stir. If you like, at this point, you can also add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Personally, I just think this gives it so much more flavor. And about a 1/2 teaspoon or so of nutmeg, not too much. Just bring out that flavor in it. Give it a whisk, get it nice and stirred in. And then when these are done, scoop them out and fry them. There's a couple different names for these. They're sometimes called Johnny cakes, sometimes called Hoecakes. Depends on what part of the world you're in. And we will be back to frying these in just a moment. Alright, today I'm going to be using baking grease to cook up my Hoecakes. And we're going to let these get nice and golden brown on one side before flipping them to another. And perfect, delicious Hoecakes.